number 32 through the ball. No basket. Here comes the Anderson. The penalty going through the ball. Aswa, Japan, but there's a foul by Sir Bontuyan. Warning for graduation, Sir Bontuyan. Time left. 7 seconds. 27 seconds. Pacture, oy. But anyway guys, so na maganda pasok ko tayo palinod to. Okay lang. Number 8 on the free throw line. No basket again. 69 on the road, but there's a foul by number 32. Graduation! Unyang tataon. Tanay. Okay. So, may kalalay mo kalimutan karong tataon. Nasa tayo lumbahilak. Okay, sa tayo magkakaon sa bindo. Nagan kayo. Naman na mo ka itong mga kahingipon. Natay bindo pa ipausap ninyo. Ang oras, halagway na mo tana, 26 seconds. 26 seconds in time, and it's up to number 14, pass to second down, but there's a foul by number 32. Foul na po.
Ako itong score.
15 seconds, isagway na mo tana.
Balikbol.
Shot, sir, shot. Again, 15 seconds in favor of Manawi team, 53-44. Here comes Mr. Bontuyan again. Yes! 52, Sir Bontuyan. 1 point, sorry, 1 point. By Sir Bontuyan. There you are, Sir Bontuyan. I'm Bontuyan! Stepping violation. Wala mga ikalagari sa Mandawi team. 15 seconds remaining time. Wala mga ikala favor diri sa Mandawi team. Alright, number 14. Pass to number Buntoy. Sir Buntoy na turbo, no basket. There comes number 8. Waiting, now getting the ball. Number 8, yes, dribbling. Nakita, but there's a foul. 7 seconds left. Number 14, foul. Third, 3 personal foul, number 14.
Salute!
6 seconds left. Remaining time, 6 seconds. Here comes on the free throw line. Wade, no basket. Timeout, Bulacan. Last timeout for Bulacan team. Mas mga ito mga gara, bisagway ng utana, ang oras, alauna 5. Bisagway ng utana, ang oras, 6 segundos na rin nabilin mga gara sa ito ang ball game. Back to the ball game. Mana? 6 seconds remaining time. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you're watching now the championship ball game from the Bulacan Mandawi team of St. Paul College. But don't forget guys, this coming August 19th, there will be an acquaintance party and a pageant night. Alright. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is over. Thank you very much for watching us. And now ladies and gentlemen, the champion, the Mandawi team.